This is a brief tutorial on using the University of Tennessee-Knoxville's library website to gather appropriate research materials for assignments or projects, and get assistance for writing in particular subjects or styles. The website has a vast amount of resources, so this tutorial will highlight a few features that can help users find research materials and write undergraduate or graduate level papers. First, access UTK's library website. From any browser, type in www.lib.utk.edu. This link takes you directly to OneSearch, the library's homepage. From here, you should be able to find most of the features helpful for research and writing. To start searching the library's resources, take one of two approaches. The first approach is to use the OneSearch interface to search for your topic. If you are not familiar with your topic, simply enter the topic in the search box and hit enter. Or you can use the advanced search feature if you want to narrow the search. The search results will typically include all types of formats, including print, electronic resources. On the left menu, notice the different formats available for the topic. If the number of results is overwhelming, use the left menu to refine the results by applying filters like format, date, author, language, and more. At any point, you can click on any title for more information about the material, if it is available on site at Hodges Library, online, or other. Notice two options below each title, Get It and Details. By selecting Get It, users can sign in to request the material. By selecting Details, users can find additional information about the title, like page number, language, and related subjects, which are also searchable simply by clicking on them. To return to the library's homepage, click on the University of Tennessee-Knoxville University Libraries link at the top right. The second approach is to use the library's research guides, which are located under Research Help and by subject. The UTK librarians compiled these guides to provide subject-specific resources like databases, open access books, primary resources, and contact information for a librarian. The research guides help any student, and it does not matter if a student already has in-depth knowledge of the subject. By selecting the subject, you may be provided with narrower topics within the general subject. These links lead to guides specific to the topic. On the left menu are links to databases and open access resources. By selecting databases, for example, you are directed to several databases and indexes. You will be asked to log in with your UTK username and password, if you have not done so already. By selecting an open access link on the left menu, you are directed to various digital collections available to UTK students. If you are having trouble accessing the links, navigating the databases, or deciding the appropriate resources for your research project, you can email the librarian for assistance. With these two approaches, any student can locate and access any number of resources appropriate to the class or project. To get assistance with the actual writing of an assignment using these resources, users will find writing guides available from the library's homepage. From the homepage, users should find the Help For section and select Undergraduates. By scrolling down to the Help with Research section, you can access the Writing Center's homepage. This page offers free and individualized help for undergraduates and graduate writing. To find writing guides for specific disciplines or styles, find For Students on the left menu and select Writing in the Disciplines. By scrolling down, users will find guidelines and tips for writing for various subjects, and these guides refer to the different writing styles, like Turabian, APA, and others. By selecting the link to George Mason University, under the Humanities section, for example, users will be taken to a writing guide custom to studies in history. To return to the library's homepage, simply enter www.lib.utk.edu in the address bar and hit enter. You are taken back to the beginning, where you can find more materials for your research project. If you have any more questions related to the navigation of the library's homepage, use the online chat feature or call them at 865-974-4351.